Hi, this is the video for Thursday, September the 30th. So I'm just going to go through what we did today. We are working towards an assessment. That's the big thing that happened today. I assigned it, and it is due on Friday, October 8th. What is it about? It's about the 3 stories we've read. Today, we really focused on What You Pawn, I Will Redeem, our last story in the mix. So I've linked that again in case you haven't finished the story, please do. And then we worked on this jigsaw document. In your Schoology, it's called What You Pawn Jigsaw Work, and it will help you develop your ideas for the essay. So we spent the first half of class looking at our answers, sharing our answers with each other. If you are watching this video and you were not in class, it is okay if you don't have group members help on this. You can do it by yourself. You only need to do one topic. The more topics you have, the more ideas you might have. But if you're doing this from home, you can still have a lot of really good ideas by yourself. So when you click on What You Pawn Jigsaw Work, just fill out one of the boxes. Then we went through the Schoology assignment, and it's there for you, called Unit Assessment, Native America, 5-paragraph essay. Looks like this. So what you are doing for this assessment is writing an essay, a full essay. You have everything you need to write the essay. It's what we've been working on for 3 weeks. We're not asking you to go look at a blank sheet of paper and fill it with your writing. We are asking you to use some of the things that we've done in the last 3 weeks to collect them together into a polished piece of writing. You will write a 5-paragraph essay where we give you the first paragraph's thesis. That thesis is here. The Native American short stories, The Man to Send Rain Clouds, Lullaby, and What You Pawn, I Will Redeem, reflect that America is a story of journeys. Then, you will write one claim paragraph for each of those texts that we read. A paragraph on The Man to Send Rain Clouds, a paragraph on Lullaby, and a paragraph on What You Pawn, I Will Redeem. In each claim paragraph, you're going to argue why that short story is about journeys. So your first paragraph will be how The Man to Send Rain Clouds is about journeys. Your second paragraph will be about how Lullaby is about journeys. And your third paragraph will be about how What You Pawn, I Will Redeem is about journeys. What kind of journeys? You get to decide. That's where your essay will look different than your partner's or your friend's essay. But we're giving you the frame. After you've written those 3 paragraphs, you will go back and you'll try to figure out where your evidence is. You'll use that along the way too, but you'll put quotes in, or you'll reflect on things that happen in the stories that make you know what you're saying about journeys. And then the last thing you do is write a short introduction and a short conclusion about all of this stuff. This is going to be due on the due date for us, which is Friday, October the 8th. And we will give you next week in class fully to work on these. And we'll work with you, we'll do mini lessons, but we'll do 3 days where we explain a little bit at the beginning and then let you work for the majority of class. Please begin this work today. Begin by thinking, how are these stories about journeys, and sketching out the beginnings of your ideas. And then come prepared next week to develop a full essay about those topics. All right. Let me know, or let Miss Loving know if you have questions.